Welcome to my channel Kids Wonderland Wonder TV. Today I am going to tell you the story of Momo the monkey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like the monkey, please like the story. Today's topic is monkey life in the deep jungle with adventures, challenges, and learning. In a lush, green jungle, there lived a clever and playful monkey named Momo. Momo loved to swing from tree to tree, exploring the forest and making new friends. He had a curious mind and was always eager to learn new things. One sunny day, Momo met a group of monkeys who were different from him. They had come from a faraway land. Momo noticed that even though they looked a bit different, they liked to do many of the same things he did, swinging on vines, playing games, and eating delicious fruits. Momo was excited to learn more about his new friends. He discovered that they had unique ways of finding food and communicating with each other. They taught him how to crack open hard nuts using rocks, and how to make different sounds to warn each other of danger. Momo shared his own tricks too, like finding the sweetest fruits and the best hiding spots. One day Momo decided to visit the sparkling river that flowed through the heart of the jungle. As he swung from tree to tree, he spotted a group of animals gathered near the water. Intrigued, Momo climbed down to join them. The group consisted of various animals: a wise old turtle named Tico, a cheerful parrot named Polly, and a clever fish named Finny. Momo introduced himself, and they welcomed him warmly. They spent the day playing games, sharing stories, and teaching each other new things. Tico, the turtle, taught Momo about the importance of patience and how to navigate through life slowly but surely. Polly, the parrot, showed Momo how to mimic different sounds and sing beautiful songs. Finny, the fish, taught Momo how to spot the best places to find food in the river and how to swim quickly to avoid predators. One day, a big storm hit the jungle. Trees were swaying, and the rain poured down heavily. Momo and his new friends worked together to find a safe place to stay. They huddled under a big tree with thick branches, keeping each other warm and dry. After the storm, Momo realized how important it was to have friends and to work together. He learned that even though monkeys might come from different places, they can learn from each other and help each other out. Momo's adventures taught him the value of friendship, teamwork, and kindness. From that day on, Momo and his friends explored the jungle together, always ready for new adventures and discoveries. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories and educational adventures about wildlife.